Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get this video started, if you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell and have it turned on. I'm going to show you how to do a fuel pump on a C4 Chevy Corvette. It's right here underneath the lid where you fill it with gas or fuel. Well, fuel would be diesel, gasoline would be gas. There's 4 Tech screws, or Torx bit screws, one in each corner of the door. And they are a T10, I believe. Alright, we're going to get this door removed, and then we'll get to the next part. Alright guys, now that we got those 4 screws removed, you can just fold the door down and lift the whole assembly up. Set it up out of the way so you don't scratch the paint. Alright, now, you have this cover here moves out of the way. Clearly this car's been repainted, so it's going to be a pain to get it off. But this cover right here around the fuel neck moves out of the way. So we're going to see what we need to do to get this off with the customer, and we'll be right back with you. Alright guys, now we got the rubber boot out of the way right here that goes down inside there. The customer, they painted it, or the car's been repainted, so it's hard as a brick instead of soft. It's completely deteriorated. So we'll have to let them know that that needs to be replaced. But down inside here, the fuel pump mounts right here directly on top of the tank. Gonna undo the lines going to it and undo the, I believe it's 8 10mm bolts right here on the top. So we're gonna get them undone and I'll be right back with you. Alright guys, once you undo the clamps that hold the lines onto the fuel pump itself, right, one there, and for the reason somebody put 2 there, but undo those clamps. You can slide them directly out of the way, and we'll pull the lines off. Get these lines off, or these clamps off, and we'll be right back with you. Alright guys, we got these clamps off. Now we're going to get these hoses slid off the fuel pump tubes itself. One's your pickup, one's your return, and one's your vapor over here. We're going to get those slid right off, and then we're going to undo the bolts that hold it on. Be right back with you. Alright guys, now we got both the lines removed here on the fuel tank assembly. Now we're going to unbolt it. Like I said, there should be, let's see, 2, 4, 6, there's 8. That's what I thought. I've done them in the past, unless somebody's changed the pattern. There's 8 bolts. They're 10mm that hold the tank directly. I'm sorry, they hold the pump assembly and the filler neck into the tank. We're going to undo those, and we'll be right back with you. Alright guys, we got it all unbolted, and we unplugged the tank itself from right here at the back of the harness, and it's got an orange safety clip right here. Got it unplugged. Now we're going to wiggle this sucker up out here. We're going to move one of these clamps out of the way. Now we're going to pull this assembly up out of here. And of course we're going to have to fight it, but it's okay. If anything was easy to work on, I guess everybody would do it. Wonder what this number is right here. 7343 624, and it says 2. Maybe something from the factory? Alright, well, let's get this tank out of here. Alright guys, now we got it up out of there. Out inside the tank. Got it right here on the ground. We can get the old one off and we'll show you the new one. Alright guys, got the new strainer and pump here. Here's the strainer. Here's the pump. Electronic fuel pump, like I said, it's on a Alright, so we're going to get the old pump off and install the new one with the strainer. Alright guys, here goes the new pump and strainer installed onto the assembly. There's the old one right here. And I said, there's the old one. Here's your new one. Now we're going to take the old stuff, throw it away. We'll reinstall this back into the vehicle. Alright guys, we're going to get this reinstalled back in there. Be right back with you, because you got to fish it and twist it and everything else to get it down in there. Alright guys, we got it back down there. We got a couple bolts stuck in it to hold it in place. Now we're going to reconnect the harness, reconnect the fuel lines, put it all back together. We're just going to repeat the steps going in reverse that we did to take it off. Alright guys, we got the tank mounted. Now we're going to reinstall the lines, connect the harness. Alright guys, there we go. We got the new fuel pump assembly installed. Put the fuel neck back on it with the float installed back in the tank. Hopefully y'all find this video useful. If you did, please smash that thumbs up button. It greatly helps out my channel. Also, if you would, please share the video. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Click that notifications bell up there in the corner. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Go ahead and knock it out for me. Y'all find this video useful? Again, thank you. God bless. Y'all have a great day.